welcome back here. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to talk about my first period story. Okay, so I was very young when I got my periods. I was just in 5th standard and I was not prepared for it at all, to be honest. Like, I didn't know anything about it because my elder sister got periods when she was in 9th or 10th standard, so my mom really thought I had like a lot of time to discuss about it, to tell me about like something like this. But one day I woke up and I got my periods and I was shocked. I was like, what is this? That's why today I decided that I want to make this video and share with you few things, a few of my experience also about this one product which I wish I knew earlier. It would have helped me so much. And if you also have some period story or you want to discuss about it, don't feel uncomfortable, anything, comment karo and then we can just share and grow together. Also, initial days में ना you bleed a lot. Okay, the flow is really heavy. आपको पता नहीं होता है कि कब पैड चेंज करना है. एटलीस्ट दैट हैपेंड विद मी. आई डिडंट नो कि व्हेन आई एम सपोज टू चेंज द पैड वो कब फुल हो जाएगा, कब इट्स गोइंग टू स्टेन एंड एवरीथिंग. आई हैड नो आइडिया. इवन टू यूज द पैड आई हैव टू आस्क माय मम कि हेल्प मी टू फिक्स इट एंड आई हैड नो आइडिया. So because the flow is really heavy, the other day I was going through Amazon and then I saw this period panties and I was like, what is this? And I called for it and trust me, this is the best thing ever. I wish I knew about this product earlier. So I ordered these Evereve period panties and I also saw some videos on YouTube and I was not sure कि यार ये genuine review है या people are just bragging about it, because sometimes it happens, everybody just talk about this one product. So I was like, I have to get it for myself, try it out. And as I told you before, I am someone who goes through very heavy flow. So मेरे period की second day पे I tried this product and I was like, this is the best day to try this out कि देखते हैं कि कुछ भी stain होता है, कुछ लीकेज होता है कि नहीं. But first let me tell you, when I saw it for the first time, it looked like a diaper. I was like, ये diaper है, is it going to be comfortable or not? So this is how it looks, exactly like a diaper, and I was like, is it going to be comfortable or not? But trust me, you'll thank me later, this one is super comfortable. ये देखो, ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छे से स्ट्रेच हो जाता है. एंड कभी कभी ऐसा होता है ना कि हमारी वेस्ट छोटी होती है पर हमारे थाइज ज़्यादा होते हैं या हमारे बम ज़्यादा होते हैं, तो उसके लिए भी अगर आप साइड से देखो, यू सी फ्रॉम द साइड, it stretches a lot, so it is amazing. बिल्कुल भी कोई लीकेज नहीं होगा. आप एक पीरियड पैंटी है ना 7 hours तक के लिए पहन सकते हैं. जनरली ऑन अ सेकेंड डे आई वुड यूज 5 pads, but I just use 2 of these for the whole day. So imagine this is that good. प्रॉपर अगर आप देखो, पूरा अमेजिंग कॉटन मटेरियल है, सो दैट मीन्स नो रैशेस एट ऑल. एंड इफ यू सी the pad is from here till here, so it's giving you like a nice full coverage. And trust me, this is super comfortable. You don't even feel you're wearing anything, especially on days when you're traveling. You just have to wear this and you don't have to worry कि कोई भी लीकेज या कुछ भी होगा. This product is worth it. So in one packet you get 2 period panties, and trust me, you have to invest in this one. So if you guys know, after delivery also you have like these really heavy flows and you can't just keep changing your pads again. You can, that time also you can wear these. These are super comfortable, especially for traveling and your second day of periods. If you're going to work, you don't have to worry about changing your pads again. You don't have to worry कि आप अपने favorite clothes को stain कर दोगे, because these are the best thing ever. So when you are having heavy flow, you're not gonna feel like very uncomfortable or heavy, because this thing just absorbs very quickly and you don't feel uncomfortable at all. Also I'm gonna talk about panty lines, because ऐसा हो सकता है कि आपको ऐसा लगे कि इसकी panty lines दिखेंगी या weird shape दिखेगा. So I wore it with dresses and jeans and nothing happened. It just felt normal. There were no lines. But yes, on the days I was wearing leggings, of course जैसे normal panties का shape आता है वैसे ही exactly उसका था. So it didn't feel like you're wearing something different or something like diaper or something. But Trust me, this is super comfortable, super soft on your skin. I wish you could just touch it and feel. This is like really soft. Also, I saw some YouTube videos. Some people like to wear panties इसके ऊपर भी, but I just don't like to wear it. But if you want to, you can. But it's not necessary that आपको इसके ऊपर भी panty पहनना है. No, not at all. As I said, in one packet you just get 2 panties. अगर आप उसे एक pad से compare करो, तो one goes a very long way, and 2 of them cost you 100 rupees, which I feel very affordable. You can use them for night time. You can use them when you're traveling, and these are just really amazing. I want to give this product a big thumbs up, and I really wish that you try this out, and trust me, you'll thank me later. So that was my whole review, and that was my little period story. So if you have any questions or anything, just comment down below. I will definitely reply, and I will give you the link of this product in the description box below. Definitely check that out. I hope this video was helpful. Give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.